Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Studio of Love. Friends, I don't waste your time because time once lost never return. So let's start topic. Today topic related for LL.M entrance exam test paper. Test paper PDF with answer sheets of end of description. So let's start question 50. Which of the following are the essential elements to the proved for prosecuting a public servants of criminal misappropriation? First custody, second interestment. Select the correct answers of the option given below. Answer is the C, both first and second. Next question है 51. Whether articles apply to the necessaries and requires under section 68 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 is? Answer is the ये questions of law. Next question आपका है 52. By interest into weight with Z by promise that we will pay rupees 50,000 to Jets if Australia defeats India is a one-day international being played at Delhi. Z in turn promised to pay rupees 50,000 to buy if India defeats Australia. India defeats Australia and Z instead of paying the amounts of buy executes a promissory notes in favor of buy promising that he will pay money 1 hour before a specified date. No witness attest the promissory notes. The promissory notes is not registered. Z fails to pay within this stipulated time. On the basis of the above mentioned facts, which one of the following is the correct answers as per the Indian laws? Answer is the C. The promissory notes has no validity in the eye of law because it is for debt due on bearing contract. Next question है 53. Which one of the following statements is correct with the regards to a contracts for sales of immovable property? Answer is the C. Time would not regarded the essence of the contracts unless it is shown that the parties intended so. Next question 54. Choose the most appropriate answers to the complete the statements doctrines of extension comes into the play. Answer is the C, when the objects has failed. Next question है आपका 55. Consider the following statements. First है First, in case of a concluded contracts, the completed transfers the doctrines of prestations is not applicable when the rights and obligations of the parties arise under the Transfers of Property Act 1882. Second is the if and when there is infestations of a contracts, the contracts automatically comes into end. Which of the statements given below are correct? Answer is the C, both first and second correct. Next question आपका 56. Choose the most appropriate answers to complete the statements when consents to agreements is caused by fraud. Then accordance with the Indian Contract Act 1872. Answer is the B. The agreement is a contract viable from inception. Next question आपका 57 है. Where the tenders of performance is rejected by the another parties. First up, the promisor has to still perform the contract but can claim damages. Second, the promisor is executed from further performance is the entitled to sue the promise for breach of contract. Which of the following statements which above are correct? Answer is the B, second only correct. Next question है आपका 58. As per Lord's Mansfield quasi-contractual obligations are based on which of the following theories as explained by him in Moses vs. McFarlane's? Answer is the D, unjust enrichments. Next question आपका 59 है. A certain year if X does work for Y without his request for knowledge, he can sue for the value of his works. Reason है are acquiescence can be presumed from silence. You are examine the two statements above carefully and select the correct answers. Answer is the D. A is false but R is true. Next question 60 है. Choose the most appropriate answers that complete the statements and argument to which the consent of the promise is fairly given is not but merely because the answer B considerations is not adequate. Next question है आपका 61. Consider the following statements. First, too many manifestations of willingness to back the same bargain do not constitute a contract. Second, contractual obligations arise if services are rendered which in fact fulfill the terms of an offer but are performed in ignorance that the offer exists. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer is the A, only first correct. Next question है आपका 62. Match the list first with the list seconds and select the correct answers by using the codes given below the list. Answer is the B. Next question है 63. Consider the following statements in Bhagwan Das, Govardhan Das vs. Girdhar Lal Purushottam Das and It was laid down that first of sections 4 of the Contract Act 1872 does not imply that the contract is made to the proposers at the place at to the acceptors and another place. Second is the communication of acceptance should be from of a person who has the authority to accept information received from an authorized person is ineffective. Which of the statements is given above is are correct? Answer is the first A only correct. Next question है 64. Promissory estoppel is answer is the C. An equitable doctrine. Next question है आपका 65. Consider the following statement. First है misappreciation is also a suitable species of frauds. Second, section 56 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 does not leave the matters to be determined according to the intentions of the parties. Which of the following statements given above are correct? Answer is the C. Both first and second are correct. Next question आपका 66 है. X a public servant is authorized by warrant from court to justice to represents to X that by is Z and thereby initially caused X to apprehended by as per the Indian Penal Code 1860. How does we evade the apprehensions of by? Answer is the A. By instigation. Next question आपका 67 है. Consider the following statements to constitute abatements is A. First, necessary that the abated must be committed. Second, not necessary that the act abated must be committed. Third is the necessary that the person abated must have the same intentions or knowledge as that of abaters. Which of the statements is given represents the correct positions of law? Answer is the A only. Second correct is the answer. Next question है आपका 68. P instigates the Q to cause the death of R. P gives a gun to Q to shoot R. Q shoots at R in the presence of P. Causes are that which one of the following statement is correct as per the provisions of the IPC? Answer is the B. Both P and Q are liable for the murder of R. Next question आपका 69 है. What is the basis differences between the offences and abatements by conspiracy and the offence of criminal conspiracy? Answer is the A. In case of criminal conspiracy, mere agreements is enough, whereas in case of abatements by conspiracy, an act should have taken place in pursuance of conspiracy. Next question आपका है 70. X and Y go to murders. X Z stood on guard with a spear in hand, but did not hit Z at all. Y killed Z as per the IPC. Answer is the B. X and Y are both liable for murder of Z. Next question है आपका 71. 5 persons attempt to take away the wife of one of them from her brother's home in Sapal with his brothers-in-law. The husband sued him death. Which one of the following is correct as for the provisions of IPC? Answer is the D. All are not liable for murders as they had no common object. Next question is 72. What is the basis difference between sections 34 and sections 149 of the IPC? Section 34 creates a principle of joint liability and does not create a specific offence. Section 149 creates a specific offence. Answer is the A. Correct. Next question is 73. As per the IPC eligible significance. Answer is the D. All of the above. Next question आपका है 74. As per the IPC, in case of offences punishable with fine only imprisonment for non-payment of fine. Answer B has to be simple. Next question is 75. Section 73 of IPC provides for the maximum limits of solitary confinements to be C. Answer 3 months. Next question 76 है. General exceptions are contained in. Answer B. Chapter 4th of IPC. Next question 77 है. The maximum ignorantia juris non-execute means. Answer is the A. Ignorance of law non-execute. Next question 78. The maximum actus non facit rerum nisi mensitria means. Answer is the B. There can be no crime without a guilty mind. Next question है आपका 79. Irresistible impulse is a defense. Answer is the D. Neither in India nor in England. Next question है आपका 80. A hangman who hangs the prisoners pursuant to the order of the courts is exempt from criminal liabilities by virtue of. Answer B. Section 78 of the IPC. Next question आपका है 81. Tort is basically is species of. Answer C. Civil injury or civil wrongs. Next question आपका 82 है. The definitions of tort is contained in. आंसर बी द लिमिटेशन एक्ट 1963। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 83 है, टोट इज रिडर्सेबल बाय एन एक्शंस, आंसर बी फॉर अनलिक्विडेटेड डैमेजेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 84 है, द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ प्रोहिबिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाज हेल्ड एज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन एन एक्शंस फॉर टोट इन, आंसर इज द डी एसपी वर्सेस वाइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 86 है, द मैक्सिम साइन डमनम मींस, आंसर इज ए वायलेशंस ऑफ ए लीगल राइट्स विदाउट एनी डैमेजेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 87 है, अंडर द लॉ ऑफ टोर्ट्स मैलिस मीन, आंसर इज द सी, both A and B are correct। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 88 है, इन टोट मिस्टेक, आंसर इज द सी इज नो डिफेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 89 है, एन एक्ट डन एज एक्ट ऑफ स्टेट्स हैज टू बी जस्टिफाइड ऑन ग्राउंड ऑफ, आंसर इज ए पॉजिटिव लॉ ऑफ द लैंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 90 है, पब्लिक न्यूसेंस इज, आंसर ई है सी, बोथ ए एंड बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है 91, गुड्स डिस्प्लेड इन ए शॉप विद ए प्राइस टैक्स इन एन, आंसर बी एन इन्विटेशंस टू ऑफर्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 92 है, द प्रोमिजर्स कैन परफॉर्म, आंसर इज द बी, द प्रोमिज थ्रू हिज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कॉम्पिटेंट टू परफॉर्म। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका 93 है, एज पर द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 इफ द टाइम ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द contract is the essence of the contracts and the promisers fails to perform the contract by the specified times, then answer is the C, the contract becomes voidable at the absence of the promise। next question आपका 94 है, the reasonable times for performances of a contract, answer is the A, is a questions of fact। next question आपका 95 है, an acceptance on telephone should be, answer is the D, all of the above। next question आपका 96 है, a contract is not trusted, answer is the D, all of the above। next question है आपका 97, the constituent assembly which framed the constitutions of independence India was set up under, answer is the B, cabinet mission plan। next question है आपका 98, the doctrine of impossibility of performance regarding rendering contracts void is best one, answer is the C, supervening impossibility। next question है आपका 99, surety is a person, answer is the B, who gives the guarantee। next question है आपका 100, a contract cannot be said to be void on ground of, answer is the C, over considerations or inadequacy of consideration। So friends, today discuss LL.M test paper, so I hope you understand test paper। So friends, please like and share videos, and if you new viewers then subscribe my YouTube channel Shiv Study of Law and press bell icons, get all notifications। Thanks for joining, bye bye and take care, जय हिंद जय भारत।